Because, my dear students, today I want to discuss the most thrilling topics, that is parabola. So now we will define parabola in term of locus. It is the path traced out by the point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point, suppose f is fixed point, its distance from a fixed point is always equal to its distance from a fixed line. Its distance from a fixed line. Then suppose this is fixed point f. F is fixed point. F is fixed point. F is fixed point. And its distance from fixed line. Fixed line. Fixed line. So ratio of its distance from its fixed point to a fixed line is equal. Then the path traveled by the point is known as parabola. A line, the fixed point is called the focus of the parabola, and the line is called the fixed point is called the focus of the parabola, and the fixed line is called the directrix of the parabola. Fixed line. The distance from fixed point, this is fixed point, and this is the point of locus, and its distance from a fixed line. This fixed line DD dash is known as directrix. At this point F is focus, and the axis passes through the fixed point. The axis of the parabola passes through the fixed point and perpendicular to the directrix. And perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of the parabola. Is called the axis of the parabola. The point of intersection of the parabola with its axis is called the vertex of the parabola. The point of intersection of parabola with its axis is called the vertex of the parabola. In the adjoining figure, C is a parabola with focus F and the line DD dash as its directrix. Clearly, x-axis is the axis of the parabola and O is its vertex. If we take an arbitrary point P on the parabola and draw PM perpendicular to DD dash, then by the definition of the parabola we have PF is equal to PM. This distance PF is equal to PM. So my dear student, we can solve this problem by applying its definition. So you must remember the definition of the parabola. You must remember the definition of the ellipse. You must remember the definition of any conic sections. Let us consider a parabola whose focus is, suppose, A0, and the directrix is the DD dash, whose equation is x plus a is equal to 0. Let PHK be any arbitrary point on the parabola. Since PM perpendicular to DD dash, then by definition of parabola we have PF is equal to PM. And PF is equal to how much? Try to understand. PF is equal to H minus A or A minus H, whatever may be. H minus A. Suppose H minus A whole square plus K minus 0 whole square is square root of H minus A whole square and K square. Now PF square is equal to H minus A whole square is equal to K square. And PM is what? PM is perpendicular which is drawn from P to the line. Directrix is, here x is equal to minus A. Directrix is x is equal to minus A, that is x plus A. Here the equation of the perpendicular line is h plus A. Here suppose try to understand, this is P and its coordinate is HK and this is M. and equation of this line is x plus a is equal to 0. So Pm is equal to what? H plus a root over 1 square plus 0 square. That is Pm is equal to mod H plus a. Pm is equal to mod H plus a, my dear student. So Pm square is equal to H plus a whole square. So H plus a is length of perpendicular from HK to x plus a is equal to 0. Now after simplifying, we have k square is equal to 4h. Since parabola is a locus of point, then removing, here it is removing hk by coordinates of general point on the path of the parabola xy, we can write y square is equal to 4ax, where a greater than 0. Thus y square 4x is an equation of parabola. It is also known as right hand side parabola. It is also known as right hand side parabola. My dear students, focal chord. Any chord of a parabola passing through its focus is called a focal chord. Focal distance of a point. The distance of any point of a parabola from its focus is called the focal distance of that point. The distance of any point of a parabola from its focus is called the focal distance. This is distance of a parabola from its focus, PF. And suppose this is focal chord. Now, latus rectum of a parabola. A chord of a parabola passing through its focus and perpendicular to its axis is called latus rectum of the parabola. This is latus rectum of the parabola. LL dash is the latus rectum of a parabola. A line which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis is known as latus rectum of a parabola. Let LFL dash be the latus rectum of a parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. And let mod of FL is equal to L. Then clearly the coordinate of L and L dash are AL and A minus L. Since the point LAL lies on the parabola y square is equal to 4x. So we have L square is equal to 4a square. L is equal to 2a. So LL dash is equal to LL dash is equal to twice L, that is 4a. Hence, the length of the latus rectum is 4a. The end points of the latus rectum are L A 2a and L dash a minus 2a. Thus, the equation of the latus rectum is x is equal to a. Thus, equation of the latus rectum is x is equal to a. And length of the latus rectum is 4a. You must remember, length of the latus rectum is 4a. So, in this way, these are the important elements of the parabola. These are the important elements of the parabola. Now, important points regarding right hand side parabola. This parabola is also known as right hand side parabola. Now I want to explain the important points of the right hand side parabola. Y square is equal to 4x, a greater than 0 is a parabola, equation of parabola. Its focus is a comma 0. Vertex is at origin. Directrix is the line x plus a is equal to 0, equation of the line of directrix. Axis is the line y is equal to 0. Length of the latus rectum is 4a and equation of latus rectum is the line x is equal to a. So my dear student, these are the elements of the right hand side parabola. You must remember it. And there is a technique. Right hand side parabola is symmetrical about x-axis. How will you remember it? If what do you observe? The power of the y is 2 power of the y is 2, so it is symmetrical about x-axis. This you must remember. Left hand side parabola. Equation of the parabola is y square minus 4x, a greater than 0. Focus is minus a comma 0. Vertex is 0, 0, no change in vertex. Directrix is the line. Here x is equal to a. So x minus a is equal to 0. That is x is equal to a is the equation of the directrix. So it is x minus a is equal to 0. Axis is the line, y is equal to 0. Length of latex rectum, no change in length of latex rectum, is 4a. And equation of the latex rectum is x is equal to minus a. LL dash is x is equal to minus a. These are the important elements of left hand side parabola. You must remember it by drawing, by sketching the parabola, and you must write all the elements of left hand side parabola also. My dear student, you have already studied in class 10. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is like a parabola. So, I want to recall you, that time you are familiar with the name of the parabola. So, here we will discuss about the different elements, different parts of the parabola. In the syllabus, you have to study only the equation of the parabola when its vertex is at the origin. Its vertex is at the origin. So, my dear student, so now upward parabola. This is the figure of upward parabola. This is symmetrical about y-axis. So, equation will be x square is equal to 4ay. A greater than 0 is a upward parabola. Focus is on y-axis. So, 0, a. Vertex is at origin 0, 0. Directrix is the line. Directrix is the line. Y is equal to minus a, that is y plus a is equal to 0. Axis is the line, x is equal to 0. And length of the latex rectum is 4a. And latex rectum is the line y minus a is equal to 0. Downward parabola, x square is equal to minus 4ay, a greater than 0. This is the figure of downward parabola, x square is equal to minus 4a. And my dear student, the equation of directrix is y is equal to a, that is y minus a is equal to 0. And equation of latex rectum is y is equal to minus a, that is y plus a is equal to 0. So it is x square minus 4ay, a greater than 0, is downward parabola. Important points, equation is x square minus 4ay, a greater than 0, is downward parabola. Focus is of course at 0 minus a. Directrix is the line, y is equal to minus a. Directrix is the line, this is directrix. Y is equal to y minus a is equal to 0. Y minus a is equal to 0. Yes, directrix is the line y minus a is equal to 0. Axis is the line x is equal to 0. Axis is the line x is equal to 0. And length of latex rectum is 4a. There is no change in the latex rectum. Either it will be right hand, left hand, downward, upward parabola. Latex rectum is the line y plus a is equal to 0. Latex rectum. This is latex rectum. Y is equal to minus a. That is y plus a is equal to 0 is the equation of latex rectum. So, my dear students, in this way we have discussed all types of parabola, right hand side parabola, left hand side parabola, upward parabola, downward parabola, and my suggestion is you make a table and write all the elements of different types of parabola. It will be help you in solving the problems. I hope you have understood me, you have followed me, you are getting me. So now in next video I will solve the problem based on this concept. मेरे ख्याल से दो ही टाइप का सवाल सीबीएसई में है, एक जब एलिमेंट्स दिया हुआ है, पॉइंट्स दिया हुआ है, ये सब डिफरेंट, तो पैराबोला का इक्वेशन निकालिए। दूसरा, पैराबोला का इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है तो एलिमेंट्स निकालिए। दो ही तरह का सवाल पूरे एनसीईआरटी में है और दूसरे किताबों में भी है। कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा सवाल हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। हमें उम्मीद है कि आप अच्छे से इस वीडियो को आज देखिएगा ताकि हमको सवाल बनवाने में, आपको समझने में आसानी हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।